Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Sophie. I'm super excited to be back with another makeup tutorial for you guys today. I'm going to be creating this really neutral smoky eye, but it's very simple to create, and I just used a brown liner and I decided to add a pop of color onto the lower lash line. Super simple. I think that anybody can achieve this look. So if you want to see how I achieved it, then just go ahead and keep on watching. And if you want to be entered for our monthly giveaway, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed, turn your post notifications on, and then comment down below if you live in the US, because our giveaway is US only. So first thing I'm doing is jumping into my Morphe 39A Dare to Create palette, and I'm mixing these two shades right here. I definitely wanted a very subtle neutral color in our crease, but I still wanted it to be a little bit on the warmer side, so I decided to mix those two shades together. And I'm just buffing this onto our outer corner, just focusing this shade in our outer crease. And then once we've laid down most of the pigmentation on that very outer edge, we're just going to go ahead and do circular motions, blending that color into the center half of our lid. And then next I'm going into this angled brush and this light brown shade right here, and we're just going to start to add some depth onto this outer corner. And I'm keeping this on that very outer edge, outer crease area, and I am going above my natural crease, so I'm trying to give myself a little bit more lid space. And then I'm just doing dragging motions on that very outer corner, just kind of applying a V shape right there. And with whatever's left over, we're going to try to diffuse those edges of that line as well. And this is just going to be a really easy way for us to build depth and blend it out. So now I'm just grabbing this small tapered brush, and I just picked up those first two transition colors, and we're just starting to diffuse that line that we applied, just because we don't want any harsh lines. We want to really blend everything out. And then I'm going back into our first fluffy brush and our first two shades that we applied, and we're just going to really diffuse those lines. And I really like this look because it's super defined. There's a lot of definition, but it's still really nice and smoked out and blended, and it still looks very simple and natural. Next, I'm grabbing this cream liner by Dose of Colors in the shade Extra Baggage, and this is probably my favorite liner to use at the moment. I've been doing brown liner more than I've been doing black liner, and I think that it's just really beautiful. So I just applied a liner really easy with a angled brush, and then just give that liner a couple minutes to dry, and you can totally use an eyelash curler and it won't budge at all. And then for lashes, I applied my Shop Sophie Bella Bali lashes. As always guys, if you want to check out our lashes, the link will always be in the description box down below. For blue liner in my waterline, I just applied that one by Chaos. It's called Chaos by Urban Decay. And then I'm going into my ABH Norvina collection number 2. And I'm just grabbing that baby blue shade and just kind of diffusing that onto our lower lash line with this pencil brush. And then I'm going into the shade B4 with this flat defined brush. And we're just going to be getting this as close to our lower lashes as possible. And I really like how this pop of color worked. You can do this exact look and do any pop of color on the lower lash line, and I think that it would be really pretty, especially because the top is so neutral, so you can get away with using any color that you'd like. And then after this, I'm going to be applying our first transition color that we applied in our crease, and I'm just going to be applying that just to kind of balance out the look and just kind of add that shade on the very bottom. I think that it really balanced it out. And then I'm just grabbing my Mad Lash mascara by The Balm and just coating my lower lashes. And then the very last step for this look, I'm just going to be grabbing my Pop Beauty highlighter in the shade Gilded Light, and I'm just going to be sticking that onto my inner corner. And this is the finished look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. As always, please leave any comments or recommendations for future videos in the comment section down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!